In this video, I'll show you how to switch from a Microsoft account to a local account in Windows 11 after Windows has already been set up. This method keeps all of your existing files, settings, and installed programs. First, open Settings, then click Accounts on the left-hand side. Next, click Your Info, and under Account Settings, select Sign In with a local account instead. At this point, Windows may show a warning, especially on Windows 11 Pro systems with BitLocker enabled, reminding you to back up your BitLocker recovery key. This key is often saved to your Microsoft account, so if you rely on BitLocker, make sure to back it up before continuing. In my case, I'm not concerned about BitLocker here, so I'm going to click Skip this step. Next, Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to switch to a local account. Click Next, then enter your current PIN or password to continue. Now enter a username, password, and password hint for your new local account. Click Next, then Sign Out and Finish, and you'll be signed out of Windows and returned to the login screen. Your account has now been converted to a local account. You can still use the same PIN to sign in, and you can also log out again to confirm that your new local account password works. If we go back to Settings, then Accounts, you'll now see that Windows shows you're signed in with a local account. One important thing to keep in mind is your username folder located under your C drive and users folder will not change. It will still be based on the original Microsoft account name, which is generally the first 5 digits of your email. As you can see here, it'd be nice if I could change it. Now that the account switch is complete, there are a few optional cleanup steps you may want to take. Even after switching to a local account, your Microsoft account may still be listed in Settings, under Accounts, then Your Accounts. This allows certain apps like the Microsoft Store to keep working. If you want to remove it, click the Microsoft account, click Remove, then confirm by clicking Yes. However, removing it here does not automatically sign you out of all Microsoft apps. For example, you still might be signed into the Microsoft Store. To fully sign out of the Microsoft Store, open the store, click your profile picture, then click Sign Out. You'll also remain signed into OneDrive. If you want to unlink OneDrive, click the OneDrive icon in the system tray, click the gear icon, and open Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to the Account tab, then click Unlink this PC and confirm. Keep in mind, your files will no longer sync or back up to OneDrive, but any files that were previously uploaded will remain in your OneDrive cloud storage. For new PC setups, I also have a video showing several methods on how to create a local account during the Windows 11 setup, and these methods avoid switching later. Check the description or pinned comment for that tutorial. And that's all there is to switching from a Microsoft account to a local account in Windows 11 after the setup. If this video helped, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.